Hi, welcome back on my channel. So we are going to talk about how to make a journal. So in this video, if you are beginner and how you want that, how I'll make a journal, how can I prepare my journal on the different sections, like there are many journals on that. You already have know that there are many journals, like the one is the grateful journal and the one is random journal, whatever it's happening with you the whole day, entire day, you can write down on this journal. And the third one is like you, if you are the write down the specific goals of your like if you have a affirmation thinking, or you write down the the rahasya book, so you can make it on that kind of journal also. So there are many journals where you can make it. So in this specific video which I am talking about the journals types, that how many types of journals and how you can start to making a journal, and how it is important, how it's helpful for you. So that is why I wanted to make this video. So the number one is to the I'm talking about the grateful journal, which is very important that you have to make it. And the things that you need to write down on this, you can simply say thanks for everything that's happening with good with you. Like if you have a good health, so you can write down that I'm grateful for my health, I'm grateful for my parents, I'm grateful for that I have food, or I'm grateful for my family, my good family I have. You, whatever the things you do good in your life, you can write down each and everything that's happening with good with you. Or the thing, I'm grateful for my doing work which and I'm doing right now. So you can say thanks. It's a way to say thanks to God, to whatever the things good happening with you. You can write down each and everything within your writings. So it's a really good way to write down each and everything that's happening with you. And there are many the second one, general, which is also very important, the random things which is happening with you. Write a small or a lightweight journal to keep with you, keep within you, and keep it in your bag wherever you go. And you can carry with it very easily. So, and you know what, it's a really efficient way to express yourself, the things which happening around you, or the things that is stuck in your brain. You want to explore it, you don't want to say anyone someone so within you. So you just want that I'll know these things which happen with me, or I want to shout out these things. So you can simply say that things, write down in your own journal. You can only know you about yourself, or you don't want to give it to any someone else. So it's a very good way to express more efficiently your way. So it's so you can easily maintain your own journal in this way. And yeah, the third one type of journal is really specific goals that you set for yourself. You can write down on those journals. So that is also a very efficient way to express your dreams or your affirmations kind of journal. So you can also make it. And there are many also fascinated journal that are come in the market. You can also if you are very eagerly expensively you want to expand on that, so you can expand. Otherwise you can simply make your notebook a simple page notebook, so you can carry with it a simple lightweight, carry with it wherever you go. Or if you want that I'll make my journal on the end of the day, at the end of the day, so when I complete my whole day, I write down each and everything that's happened with me, or what I want from today, what's good happening with me. So you can also write that in this way. Or if you want that I'll make a journal in the beginning of the day, so you can write down in the beginning of the day. It is also good. I'll make journal in the beginning of the day, that I love to do. So I'll do this. And the next thing that I wanted to say is that the journal is really important, because you are very eagerly exploring yourself. You know about what you are doing and how you can execute these things, because the clearly data has been, you have the clearly data you have, and you can estimate the with the help of this data you can estimate your self estimation. It's your self estimation. You know about yourself more. You know about yourself more, what you like, what you dislike, and how you explore yourself. It is a very easy way to explore yourself. It's a very good way to explore the things that happen with you. It's a good way to to memorize the things that you are going to do in your whole day. It's whole package of, I think, to know about yourself, right? So for me, it's a great thing which I am doing. I love to do that from within from a past 1 year I have doing this. So I just wanted to that why I not started for recently 2 to 3 years ago. But it's now it's have been working from 1 year. So it's a good experience that I share with you. And that's really amazing experience. If you do it, write down each and everything that's happened with you, you feel really much eagerly happy within yourself. And it's a give you estimation also, that I have told you ki what you have to do and what you do not to do want to do that. So that is the also really important, that what I'm going to do today and what the thing that I'm not important for me today, so I can skip for the next day, right? So in this way you can make your own journal. In this way you can finalize your journal working, that what I am going to do or not. So yeah, that is the way that I'll talk to you. And if you have any query on this, how to make journal in different way, or that's what I write in the different journals, so you can also tell me. I can help you out throughout. So although I had make a journal from the recent years that I have started, and I write each and everything within the journal. So that is a very good way to keep my journal all the time, to be a good to being a good educator, or the good educationalist. So that is not in this way. I just make a random journal on over the whole things that happens with me. So that is all with me. It's keeping on going on, and the working have been since from the last 1 years. I have told you it's a good really work. So thank you so much. Bye till the end of the day. You have to do it again and every day, each and every day you have to should follow it. If you love it, to write down each and everything, I think I can say that. Yeah, that is the good way to express yourself. And if you have any query regarding this, you can comment me. I'll definitely reply you. And please subscribe to my channel, support us, so that I can help you out, and I can make another videos that is really helpful for you. And keep support us, keep love us. Thank you so much. Bye.